First today, we're diving into the enchanting world of Paulo Coelho's masterpiece, The Alchemist. This book has captured the hearts of millions, and today we'll explore why it's so beloved. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started! The Alchemist is a novel that combines elements of mysticism, adventure, and philosophy. Published in 1988, it has become a global phenomenon, translated into dozens of languages. The story follows a young Andalusian shepherd named Santiago, who dreams of discovering a worldly treasure located somewhere in Egypt. It's a tale about following one's dreams and listening to one's heart. Santiago's journey begins when he has a recurring dream about finding treasure in the Egyptian pyramids. He meets a king who tells him about personal legend, one's destiny in life. Encouraged, Santiago sells his sheep and sets off on an adventure that takes him from Spain to the deserts of Egypt. Along the way, he meets a crystal merchant, an Englishman studying alchemy, and an Arabian woman named Fatima, with whom he falls in love. Santiago's quest is full of challenges, but he also learns invaluable lessons about life, love, and the pursuit of dreams. The Alchemist is rich with themes like the importance of following one's dreams, the interconnectedness of all things, and the idea that the journey is as important as the destination. Coelho uses simple yet profound language to convey deep philosophical ideas. He suggests that personal fulfillment and the realization of one's dreams are achievable when one listens to their heart and interprets the omens along life's path. Santiago's character evolves beautifully throughout the narrative. He starts as a simple shepherd but grows into a wise and courageous adventurer. His encounters with various characters serve as catalysts for his development and understanding of the world. Each character he meets adds a layer to the story and his journey. Coelho's writing style is straightforward yet evocative. He has the ability to weave profound philosophical concepts into an accessible narrative. The Alchemist resonates with readers because it speaks to a universal desire for meaning and purpose in life. It's a book that encourages readers to dream big and to believe in the power of their dreams. Despite its popularity, The Alchemist has faced criticism. Some argue that its message is overly simplistic or idealistic. Critics claim that the narrative lacks depth and that its philosophy is too naive for the complex realities of life. However, supporters argue that its simplicity is precisely what makes it profound and universally relatable. Personally, I found The Alchemist to be a deeply moving and inspirational read. It's a reminder that every person has their own path, and that the journey towards fulfilling one's dreams is filled with obstacles and lessons. It's a book I would recommend to anyone looking for a story about hope, dreams, and the beauty of life's journey. That wraps up our review of The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. Have you read this book? What were your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. Next, we're delving into one of the most influential self-help books of all time, Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich. It's more than just a book. It's a guide to personal and financial success. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and let's get into it. Think and Grow Rich was published in 1937 during the Great Depression and has sold millions of copies worldwide. Napoleon Hill spent 20 years researching the lives of over 500 successful individuals to distill the formula for success. The book doesn't just talk about financial wealth, but also about the richness of life and personal achievements. Hill presents several key principles in the book, including the power of desire, faith, autosuggestion, specialized knowledge, imagination, organized planning, decision, persistence, the mastermind principle, and the mystery of sex transmutation. Each principle is a stepping stone to harnessing your personal power and achieving success. Think and Grow Rich has profoundly impacted the personal development industry and has influenced countless entrepreneurs, business leaders, and individuals seeking to improve their lives. Its principles have been the foundation for many modern self-help books and success philosophies. Throughout the years, many have shared their success stories, attributing their achievements to the lessons learned from this book. From financial gains to personal breakthroughs, the impact of Think and Grow Rich is evident in the lives of many who've applied its teachings. Despite its popularity, the book has faced criticism. Some argue that it oversimplifies success and overlooks factors like privilege and circumstance. Critics also point out its dated perspectives in certain areas. However, many find its core message of positive thinking and persistence timeless and universally applicable. One may wonder how relevant a book from 1937 remains today. While some examples and language may feel outdated, the underlying principles of self-belief, goal setting, and perseverance are as relevant now as ever, especially in our fast-paced modern world. Reading Think and Grow Rich was a transformative experience for me. It's not just about becoming wealthy. It's about cultivating a mindset for achieving any goal. The emphasis on clarity of purpose, persistence, and the power of a mastermind group have been particularly impactful in my own life. In conclusion, Think and Grow Rich is much more than a book. It's a manual for anyone looking to improve their life, whether in business, personal development, or financial success. I highly recommend giving it a read, and when you do, approach it with an open mind and a willingness to apply its principles. Thanks for watching our review. What are your thoughts on the books? Have you applied any of its teachings in your life? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Adios. See you in the next video.